How to make your phone feel faster. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. So today in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can make your Android phone feel much faster again than it is right now. So in order to do that, first of all, open Settings app on your device. After you do that, scroll to the bottom of the page and over here you can see an option about device. Click on it. Then over here you can see the options such as build number or something like that. So you can also see build number over here, or in some phones you can go to version. Then over here you can see version number. Simply spam tap on it. After you do that, you will be a developer. I've already done it, so I'm already in developer, but after you click it many times you will be a developer. After you do that, go back, then search for developer options. After you do that, scroll down. Then over here you can see these three animation options: window animation scale, transition animation scale, and animator duration scale. Tap on them and as you can see it is in 1x. Simply go to 0.5. After you do that, do the same for all these three. Then you can feel that your phone will become much faster than it is right now. Thanks for watching and be sure to subscribe.